What's up everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today what we have is the Microbit Arcade Pro Kit by Elecfreaks. This is a programmable toy using the Microsoft MakeCode Arcade program. This lets kids make their own 8-bit arcade games very much easier. They have all the tutorials in their website. You can also control the A2 ports with this. So let's unbox this. So this is the Arcade Pro Kit. Making, sharing, coding, make code, make game, arcade base, do it yourself, remote control. Microbit Arcade Pro Kit. Let's take this out. We have a manual here. And a C-type charging cable, and this is the console. So there is, so let's take this out. So this is the Microbit Arcade Pro Kit. It comes with a Microbit. This is Microbit V2. There is the Microbit. This is how we put this in. This is a 2.4-inch color screen. This is the joystick, a key, B key, reset, menu, power button, and a C charging port. It also has a jack-tag port which you can connect jack-tag sensors. They also have that. And this is the brick building holes. You can connect some bricks with this. Let's program this. Open Microsoft MakeCode Arcade in any browser. They have plenty of games here. In this video we are going to try Monster Truck Racer. we have completed the coding. Now let's download the file. Click on download and choose your hardware. So we are going to select Arcade Pro. Now save. Connect your Microbit. Copy the file to the Microbit. Now let's turn on the Microbit. Here we go. The game is here. F4 jump. We have the game. So this resets the game and this goes to menu. You can increase the volume and decrease the volume. You can adjust the brightness of the display. Decrease the brightness. You can also check out their other interesting products on their official website Elecfreaks.com. Thank you for watching. Please do subscribe and click on the bell icon for more videos.